Welcome to Jackson Escape Rooms. We got some crazy stuff going on. So we thought spring break was going to be all about our big 30% off discount. Turns out we weren't going to get to feature all of our exciting new merchandise, the graphic design that I've been working so hard on, even the new room that we're about to roll out. Instead, Corona. Oh, Corona. So we transitioned real quick in all of our plans and cranked down on cleaning. We bought all the supplies that we needed. Every room, we cleaned it, groups escaped. We cleaned it, groups escaped. We cleaned it, groups escaped. We went to every extreme to overcome the uncertainty of what this spring break was going to be like for us. So we put our heads together and we came up with a plan. Let's change everything. We obviously need to stay in business to keep paying our bills and making sure that our staff's okay, but more than anything else, we wanted to be able to guarantee to all of our players that you would be safe and sound. So we decided to build a new lobby and keep every group that plays separate from groups that they don't already know. So here we are, working hard, having a great time, doing the new lobby thing until I step foot out of the room and Ike! He will never live that moment down, nor should he, but most importantly, we got the new lobby set up and ready to rock and roll to provide a place for your group to come and be and not have to worry about your germs intermingling with the group before you or the group that's playing at the same time that you are. That's important to us. But all kidding aside, we actually have had an incredible weekend despite our anxiety about how things were going to go. So many phenomenal groups, so many great escapes. These two girls duoed Antidote in 58 minutes. It was incredible. Thank you all so much for coming out and having a great time. We just want you to know that we're going to continue to honor your staycations, and we're actually going to take our spring break offerings to the next level by providing you with time every single day of the next 3 weeks to come and play Jackson Escape Rooms. So we want you to be safe, we want you to be careful, and this goofy guy is about to tell you a little bit more about the precautions that we're implementing to do so. But more than anything else, we want you to have a great time with us at Jackson Escape Rooms. It's all about good, clean fun. What's up, guys? I'm up here at Jackson Escape Rooms. Wanted to show you a couple new things that we're doing because we're very aware that Corona is out there, it is happening, and we want Jackson Escape Rooms to be the kind of place that you can come for good, clean fun and know that you're being taken care of. So this is the front door. Now, instead of the check-in desk being there, it's here. Why? Because we wanted you to immediately be greeted and sent to the right place for you to go. Now, only 2 groups, private groups, are going to be playing at the same time at any given time at Jackson Escape Rooms. Group number 1 will be right here, starting in lobby number 1, their own dedicated private lobby. And if we have a second group that's playing at the same time, well, you guys are gonna be right down here in our, well, it's not stylish, but it is going to be very clean lobby number 2. Why? Because we want you at all times to feel safe, to be safe, to make sure that you are in a germ-free environment. And I realize that you can't smell the cleaning products here, but we're working really hard up late to make sure that you guys are safe and sound, because Jackson Escape Rooms is your place to escape. It's made for escaping, and it's your place for good, clean fun. So rest assured, we're ready for you. We're gonna have a great time. So get out of the house, come on down here,
Let's play some escape rooms. How does this thing turn off?